Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my Smile Direct Club liners box to share with you guys. I got all of my liners, which I'm super excited about, and I wanted to share with you everything that was inside of the box. I already shared with you my impressions kit video, so if you haven't already seen that, go check that out. I will link that below and also like right here, and you guys can watch that. It's kind of funny. It's a little bit like scary doing the kit because you really are like hoping that you get these aligners, like impressions, okay, so that you get your liners. And I am happy to say that I guess I did it right because I got my liners and it's working. Right now I'm not currently wearing them because I wanted to share how I actually put them in with you. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like this type of video, and comment down below. If you're new, just say hi. I don't care, you know, hi, I like the video, you know, something like that. Yeah, let's get started. All right guys, this is the box and it's pretty big. It's like really big actually, look. Okay, so this is the box that I received. I actually got this box 2 Fridays ago, and I've been meaning to make this video, but you guys, life gets crazy and I haven't had a chance to make it, but I wanted to share with you the video before it got like to the end of my treatment, which would be crazy. But anyways, okay, so I got this 2 weeks ago, and so tomorrow is actually Friday, and that would be my 3rd tray, which is crazy to think that I'm already on my 3rd tray. But I'm going to show you what's inside of the box so you guys kind of know what I'm talking about, because if you don't know what this is all about, then you might be a little bit confused. So Smile Direct Club partnered with me, and basically it is a at-home teeth straightening company. So you will take your impressions, send them in, and if you're a candidate, a good candidate, they will make aligners that are invisible for you to use at home to straighten your teeth. And I was a good candidate, so I got my liners. Now I actually have a code for you guys. If you want to try these yourselves, I will link the link below for you to use, as well as the code, and that will get you 50% off of your impressions kit. So you can do it at home if you're not near one of their Smile Direct Club like shops where they actually will scan your teeth for you. So if you are near one of those shops, you can go get a free scan using my code, which is like super cool. So use my code, get your 50% off or your free scan, and get started if this is something that you guys really feel like you want to do, because I'm telling you, it was like such an easy process for me, and I explain all of this in my other video as well. So go ahead and watch the other video if you haven't watched it so that you know what I'm talking about. All right guys, let's get into the box. So the box opens like this, and also it says open for lifetime supply of confidence, which is pretty cute. They have really cute little slogans and just like fun things that, you know, are within the box. Okay guys, so the box is magnetic and it opens like this, and inside it says share your journey right there, and then they have all like their social media platforms listed. Okay, so it says welcome to the club. And inside you're going to see a card like this, and it says, nice, you're so close to getting a smile you love. Time to order your retainers. So at the end you will order your retainers, which are $99. And you believe me, you want to do that because your teeth will move after you're finished if you do not keep up with the aligners. Okay, so the box looks like this inside, and it has your invisible aligner guide. So this has like all the information that you're gonna need as far as like taking care of them, you know, cleaning them, any kind of questions you need answered. They're probably gonna be in here, but if you do need more, they do have like a whole customer service. Can't even think. Customer services is available for you all the time, as well as like dentists and stuff like that, to really take a look at what's going on if you have any problems. So this is a really good thing to have. And then they just have like some cute little cards, like social media cards. Okay, so you get this little bag here, which has Chewy's aligner tray cedars, and this basically is used. I already opened them and used them, so I also wanted to show you this in case you have any problems with them being really tight and you're having a little bit of a hard time getting them off. They include this little like thingamabob which has like little hooks on each side, so this will just hook in and pull down, and then this one you can like push up with it. But yeah, like I think I had to use that one time because it was a little tight for my second week. But these are the Chewy's, and they look like this. And basically when you put your liners in, if they're a little tight, and just to kind of get them used to the shape, you know, and get them in really well, you want to chew on those a couple times a day just to make sure that your liners are where they're supposed to be. And I have used these and they really do work, and it's kind of crazy, but yeah, these are really good. You want to make sure that you use those if you're feeling like they're not in the right spot. And then they include a like little lip balm, which is really nice and useful because I have used that. It's very nice. And they also have, you guys, oh my gosh, they include these teeth whiteners, which is like super nice. They give you 4. They look like this, and they have teeth whitener in them, and it's gel, and I'm telling you, it's like the easiest teeth whitening you could ever do. Basically, you just wipe it on your teeth, leave it on for 5 minutes, like spit out the excess, and then it just continues to whiten your teeth during the day. And I've used them a few times, and I feel like my teeth are whiter, and I love having white teeth, so I'm loving it. All right, guys, so this I've already used so much, and you can see I've rubbed off the Smile Direct Club like logo. But yeah, like this I take everywhere because basically you want to make sure that you put your aligners in here so they don't get lost, they don't get stepped on or thrown away, because they look invisible if you're not really paying attention. You know, somebody that doesn't know that you're wearing them could totally throw them away, and then you'd be like super sad. Well, you'd be super sad, but Smile Direct Club will replace them. And if you do lose one of your sets, you would just go back to the one you were wearing previously, and that will hold you over until you can get the aligners that you're supposed to have for that week. So inside of here, I do have my aligners that I'm wearing for this week, which I will be switching out tomorrow because, like I said, tomorrow is my start of my 3rd week, which is just crazy. And you guys, I do have to say, it is kind of embarrassing when you put them in and you're not talking that great. Like, I sound pretty bad, and I'm really used to being like super particular when I speak, or like, you know, articulate, and like I don't sound articulate when I'm speaking with these aligners in. So when I put them in, I'm gonna sound a little weird, and that's just normal, and you just gotta get used to it, I guess. So all right, guys, so in the next tray, which looks like this, are all of the aligners. So this was my month 1, week 1 set, and I am keeping them in case there's any kind of, you know, problem where I lose my other ones or whatever, which hopefully I don't. But I just put like a little clip here to make sure they don't fall out. And this is the package for my week 2, month 1. And this is going to be my month 1, week 3 and 4 that I have for tomorrow. So basically you wear one new one each week, except for 3 and 4. Whoops. Except for week 3 and 4, you will be wearing these like for both the weeks. And they do actually come like this, all packaged but I just tore mine up because, you know, I need to access them. So, but yeah, it's super organized, and I have a 5-month treatment plan. So at the end of 5 months, I should be over and done with and be able to get my retainers. Of course, there are always cases where you may need them a little bit longer, and in that case, they will make you more, and you can just continue your treatment until your teeth are completely straight how you want them. So that's always really good. And so basically, that's all that's inside of the box. And yeah, it's like really cool that you get all of your aligners at once, and you just do your stuff at home, and you don't have to worry about going anywhere or doing anything at a dentist office or anything. I would recommend making sure that you get your teeth cleaned so that, you know, you're taking care of your teeth. But that's all that's inside of the box. Now I'm going to show you how I put my liners in, and I'm also going to just tell you like how my experience has been thus far, because in the first couple weeks you'll experience some things that are new, and I'm going to tell you what I experienced. Okay, maybe I should explain to you my experience before I actually put my aligners in, because like I said, I'm going to be talking a little funny, and I actually kind of hope that it's not going to be like this for too much longer, but you know, it is what it is. If I have to talk funny for 5 months, I have to talk funny for 5 months. So basically, in the beginning, when I first got my first set of trays in, I put them in and it seemed like, okay, you know, they're not too bad. Well, then after just like a few, like 20 minutes, I could really start feeling the pressure of my teeth against the aligners, and they were kind of like tight, you know. And I definitely started to get a headache. It wasn't very painful, it was like more of a pressure feeling, but I did get a headache, and I did have to take an ibuprofen once the first day and once the second day, because I was getting a headache, and I kind of just felt a little bit irritable, like, you know, when something's bothering you, but it's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's like it's not like it's an exact pain, but it's just something that you have to get used to. You have to get used to the feeling of having like something foreign in your mouth that you're not used to. And I think that's kind of something that is like a little bit hard to get used to too. Also, I was going to show you, okay, so these are what the aligners look like. I'll show you. Okay, so the aligners look like this. And so on the inside of the aligner here, yeah, okay, so on the bottom of the inside, I felt like my tongue was cutting, like, I know this is kind of crazy, but like in a U shape, like that underneath. It was digging into my tongue and a little bit on the top of my tongue. And I was like getting really annoyed with that feeling because it hurt. You know, every time I try to talk, it hurt. Now, I would say that probably lasted like a day where I was feeling uncomfortable. And then after that, it went away. I think my tongue just had to get used to that being there, and you know, and now it's fine. It doesn't bother me. I put my new set in. That doesn't bother me at all. So yeah, it was completely fine. And then a little bit on the top of my lip, a little bit, like if I had any kind of pressure, like kissing, for example, like if I kissed my husband or something like that, that was a little bit uncomfortable. But so far, like after wearing them for a few weeks, I've noticed that they do not bother me as much. I'm a lot more used to them, which I'm super glad about because I was a little bit worried at first. But yeah, after the first few days, I think the first few days are like the roughest, where you feel like, oh, what did I get myself into? Do I really have to do this for 5 months? Or however long you need to do it, but that's kind of how I felt. But yeah, even putting this second tray in, I was kind of a little bit nervous because I was thinking, am I gonna have the same feelings that I had the first time I put my trays in? And you guys, I didn't. It was like so much better. I think I got like a little bit of a headache the next day, but like nothing as much as I did the first time. And yeah, I like got so much more used to them so much faster. I have to say that I've only experienced those few days where I was uncomfortable, and after that I've been completely fine. You know, you just have to get used to having something in your mouth and talking funny, which I think that's the most hard part for me, but it's just because I'm vain and I don't want to talk funny at all. And drink a lot of water because your mouth will get dry, and you want to make sure that you have water all around you all the time. I go out with water all the time just because I do not want to be feeling like a dry mouth person and like, ew. So basically, I have my water, and I also have, I should have brought them up, but I have like those little travel toothbrushes and flossers so that if I am out and I do eat or something like that, then I can make sure that I have something to kind of clean my teeth out with, so I don't feel, because you have to brush your teeth every single time you've eaten and kind of clean out your aligners as well, so that, you know, you're not going to be trapping food in there and stuff. So quickly, I'm going to show you how I put my aligners in. So this is my top aligner, and I just push that up like that, and this is my bottom, and that's it. And yeah, I mean, they go in and they don't come out unless you pull them out, which it takes a little time to pull them out sometimes, especially when you first put them in, but you can definitely see, especially when I'm saying my S's, how I sound a lot different and look different. But yeah, you guys, I have nothing but good things so far to say about everything that I've experienced. I love these. I'm so excited to see the result because I can definitely feel my teeth shifting and knowing that I'm putting in an aligner and it's fitting the next week, which tells me my teeth are moving, which is super exciting. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and you want to see more videos like this and more updates with my smile. And I hope that you'll subscribe if you're new and stick around so you can be a part of my YouTube family. Oh, I have a huge announcement. You guys, go follow me on Instagram because, hint, hint, something to do with Smile Direct Club. On Monday, I will be announcing it and you don't want to miss it. So go over there. My Instagram handle is @HomeWithHaleyEv, and yeah, it's huge, like bigger than big. Go follow me so you guys will know what the heck is going on Monday, April 30th, okay? It is going to be amazing. So I hope that you guys try this out. I have that code for you. I will link below, and you can get your impressions kit for 50% off, which is amazing, or a free scan, which is even better. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.